Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, overall, the trend is definitely still up until we get a break of structure to the downside, but my bias is still that this could be a wave B. If it is a wave B, it possibly will end up making a very overlapping wave like this that would last several weeks before it goes up again for a wave C. So we got to keep that in mind, but we also need to keep in mind that the trend is definitely still up based on structure, and there's always a chance that it keeps going up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that technically we really can't say that this move up is complete until we get a nice solid break below this line right here. There is definitely a chance that this push down we're seeing this morning is just a pullback to the last 5 waves up. So if it does turn very aggressively at a fib level, then definitely go back to longs. If on the other hand it just keeps pushing down and eventually gives you the break of structure, then that's what's going to tell me that this is either potentially it's a WXY to me. I mean, it looks like 3 ways up, 3 ways down, and then 3 ways up. So it could be a WXY pattern. And if it does break structure to the downside, I think it should confirm that it is a WXY and that the daily time frame is back down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.